If you've clicked on this video, chances are you, like us, spend a huge chunk of your time in the studio. Whether it's music production, mixing, or content creation, your workspace matters. And so does your workflow. That's exactly why we've put together this list, to help you organize, optimize, and make your creative process smoother without wasting time or money on tools that don't deliver. Before we dive in, let us say what you're probably already thinking. Nope, this video is not sponsored. We have no brand deals or paid partnerships with any of the companies mentioned here. The gear we chose is based on personal experience, real-world use, and feedback from the audio community online. Our goal is simple, to help you find the right tools that actually improve your studio workflow, not just ones that look good on paper. If there's a product you think should have made the list, let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your suggestions and discovering new tools together. And hey, if you enjoy videos like this, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get into it. Number 6. Cable Management Kit. Let's face it, even the most advanced studio setup can feel frustrating and cluttered when cables are running wild everywhere. Tangled cords, unmarked patch bays, and disorganized wires don't just look messy, they can seriously slow down your creative flow and even cause technical issues. That's why a proper cable management solution is one of the most underrated upgrades you can make. The Joto Cable Management Kit is a favorite among home studio users because of how simple, affordable, and effective it is. With flexible neoprene zip-up sleeves, reusable Velcro straps, and adhesive cable clips, it allows you to route and conceal your cables in a clean, intuitive way. No drilling, no complicated installs. You'll be amazed at how quickly your setup starts looking more professional. But clean isn't enough. It also needs to be functional. That's where Hose's color-coded patch cables come in. They're ideal for routing your audio gear in a way that's both efficient and easy to trace. Color-coding your connections allows you to visually organize your signal flow, troubleshoot problems instantly, and reconfigure your gear without the guesswork. Together, this combo improves not just the look of your studio, but the way it operates. Faster setups, easier adjustments, and zero cable chaos, which means more time creating and less time dealing with spaghetti wires. Number 5. High-quality boom arm mic stand. If you're recording vocals, podcasting, or streaming in your studio, your microphone stand isn't just a piece of hardware, it's part of your workflow. A shaky, squeaky, or unstable stand can ruin a take, distract your focus, and add unwanted noise to your signal chain. That's where the Rode PSA 1 Plus comes in. This isn't your average boom arm. It's engineered for studio professionals who demand silent, smooth, and sturdy performance. With internal springs and a fully damped movement system, it offers whisper-quiet positioning, letting you move the mic around without a single creak or pop. Perfect for streamers or vocalists who make adjustments mid-session. Its sleek, low-profile design fits comfortably on any desk setup and supports a wide range of professional broadcast mics, including heavier models, without sagging or bouncing. The included Velcro cable wraps also keep your signal path clean and tidy, reducing clutter and improving both function and aesthetics. In short, the Rode PSA 1 Plus makes your workflow more efficient, your workspace more professional, and your recordings more polished. And once you use one, it's hard to go back to anything else. Number 4. DAW Shortcut Keyboard. Time is everything in the studio. Whether you're mixing, editing, or producing, even shaving off a few seconds per task can add up to hours saved in the long run. That's exactly why a DAW shortcut keyboard from Editor Keys is such a powerful addition to any workflow. These keyboards are custom designed for your DAW of choice, whether it's Pro Tools, Ableton Live, Logic Pro, or FL Studio, and feature color-coded, labeled keys for every essential shortcut. Instead of digging through menus or memorizing hotkeys, you'll find your most used commands right at your fingertips. And this isn't just about speed, it's about clarity. Color-coded groupings for transport, editing, navigation, and mixing make it easier to visualize your workflow, especially for beginners who are still learning the ins and outs of their software. Built with high-quality scissor switch mechanisms and Mac/PC compatibility, Editor Keys keyboards don't just improve your speed, they also feel premium to type on. Whether you're editing vocals, trimming clips, or automating tracks, this keyboard turns repetitive tasks into fluid, second-nature motions. It's the kind of upgrade that's hard to appreciate until you try it. And once you do, going back to a regular keyboard feels like a step backward. Number 3. USB hub with external power supply. In any modern studio setup, USB ports disappear faster than you'd expect. MIDI controllers, audio interfaces, dongles, hard drives, and more all demand space. That's why a high-quality powered USB hub, like the Anker 10-port hub, isn't just convenient, it's absolutely essential. Unlike basic hubs, this one comes with its own dedicated power supply, ensuring that every device connected to it receives stable, uninterrupted power, which is critical for things like audio interfaces and bus-powered gear that require reliable current. With 7 data transfer ports and 3 dedicated charging ports, you get both high-speed connectivity and the ability to power devices like tablets or wireless headphones, all from one centralized hub. And thanks to its USB 3.0 support, you're not sacrificing speed for convenience. Another major bonus? Cable clutter reduction. Instead of stretching cords all over your workspace to reach a few scattered USB ports, you can streamline everything into one organized connection point, making both your desk and your workflow cleaner. If your studio is starting to feel like a web of tangled cables, this hub brings structure, stability, and peace of mind to your setup. Once you use it, it quickly becomes the quiet MVP of your gear lineup. Number 2. Monitor isolation stands. When it comes to accurate mixing, the quality of your studio monitors is only half the story. The way they interact with your desk or stands plays a huge role too. That's where ISO Acoustics ISO 155 isolation stands make a massive difference. Unlike basic foam pads, these stands use a scientifically engineered suspension system that decouples your monitors from a surface, drastically reducing unwanted vibrations and phase smear. What does that mean for you? A tighter, more accurate low end and improved stereo imaging, no more muddy mixes. They're fully adjustable both in height and tilt, so you can position your monitors at the exact listening angle for your ear level, which is crucial for achieving a consistent sweet spot in your room. Engineers and producers around the world, from home studios to high-end mastering rooms, rely on ISO Acoustics because they don't just improve your monitors, they help you hear what your music actually sounds like. And in audio production, that level of clarity is everything. So before upgrading your speakers, consider upgrading how they sit. With the ISO 155s under your monitors, your entire mix environment gets an instant clarity boost. And the last studio equipment of our list is acoustic panels and bass traps. No matter how powerful your gear is, a poorly treated room will always hold your sound back. That's why acoustic treatment is the single most impactful upgrade you can make to your studio, and GIK Acoustics is one of the most trusted names in the game. Their panels and bass traps don't just look great, they're engineered for real, measurable performance. Whether you're battling flutter echoes, comb filtering, or that boomy low-end buildup in the corners, GIK offers solutions that work, backed by lab testing and countless pro testimonials. What sets them apart is how customizable and modular their products are. You can start small with just a few panels behind your monitors and build out as your needs grow. And if you're not sure where to begin, GIK actually offers free room analysis, helping you get the right treatment without guesswork. Adding broadband absorbers to reflection points and bass traps in corners will transform your room into a controlled, neutral space, so what you hear is truly what's in your mix. No more chasing phantom bass or compensating for harsh highs. Investing in GIK Acoustics is like cleaning your monitor lenses. It doesn't change the music, it lets you hear it with precision and honesty. And that's a wrap on our top studio workflow accessories for 2025. We hope you found some tools that can help streamline your creative process and make your studio time more productive and enjoyable. Remember, the best gear is the one that fits your unique workflow and helps you focus on what really matters, making great music and content. If you've got any favorites that we didn't mention, or if you want to share your experience with any of these products, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and learning what works best in your setup. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more gear guides and tips coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and happy producing.